Hi and welcome to Simply Elegant. Earth Day is quickly approaching and I am super excited to show you a swirly Earth Day sugar cookie. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now before we get into the video so you can be notified of whenever I post a new baking or cooking video. You will need 2 cups of flour, 1 1/2 sticks of softened butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and you will only be using the yolks, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, yellow and blue food coloring. First, you want to place all of your butter into a big bowl and just cream it until it is nice and softened. Now add in your sugar and beat it until it comes together. Next, we are going to add 1 egg yolk at a time and thoroughly incorporate it. I am going to show you how to separate the egg. So you just want to crack your egg in half, open it up, and you basically want to pass the yolk from one eggshell to another and just let the excess egg whites drip off into another bowl. And then you're good to go. Add in your vanilla and your salt and mix it until it is well incorporated again. Add about half of your flour, so 1 cup of your flour, and beat it on a low speed. Then once the dough starts to form, add your 2nd cup of flour and beat it until it is well incorporated again. So I separated the dough into 2 separate bowls. You can see that it's pretty crumbly, but that'll go away after we add in our food coloring. So into 1 bowl, I am going to add 5 drops of yellow and 5 drops of blue to make the green of our earth. Into another bowl, I am adding 5 drops of blue. And then just mix until the colors are well incorporated. So our dough has chilled for 20 minutes. We are now going to roll it out into a rectangle. I have a piece of parchment paper on my cutting board. And you basically just want to roll it out until it makes a nice rectangular shape. Want to repeat the process for the green. Once you have both of your pieces of dough, and once they have chilled in the fridge for 10 minutes, you're going to flip the green onto the blue. So, this is like the gymnastics in the Olympics, but you're basically just going to go whoosh up. Flatten it out just a little bit. Use your rolling pin just to gently push it together. And then you have your earth sugar cookie. Just want to make a perfect rectangle. Get rid of any excess scraps. Now you're going to take the longer way and just start rolling it using your parchment paper. Sort of like rolling a sushi. So just gently pull it like this, gently tuck it, and keep on repeating until you're all the way to the end. Now just wrap it in some plastic wrap and we're going to place it into the freezer for about 10 minutes to chill. Okay, so now this is chilled in the freezer for 10 minutes. You want this to be as cold as possible. And then you want to cut about 1/4 inch cookie. And look at that, our little planet Earth. I have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and the oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Oh, look at these. Want to pop these into a preheated 350-degree oven, and these will bake for about 10 minutes. Our cookies are out of the oven, and take a look. You can see the blue and the green. These are going to be super delicious to eat. Thank you for joining me once again on Simply Elegant. I hope that you guys enjoy your Earth Day, you do something good for the earth, and that you also try these cookies, because this recipe is super simple and it's fun to do with family, friends, and even kids. Thanks for joining me once again. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you next time.